Welcome to our executive interview series at AWS Innovate Day, presented by FedScoop. I'm Wyatt Cash, and we're here with James Saunders, Chief Information Security Officer for the U.S. Office of Personnel Management. James, thank you so much for taking a few minutes to join us.
Thank you.
One of the places I'd like to start is where are you seeing signs that AI will be able to really help accelerate your agency's efforts to continue establishing zero trust practices?
Certainly. So when I think about the intersection between artificial intelligence and zero trust, I think about some of the early design principles we thought about when we thought designing out zero trust. And it was really around how can we accelerate the review of security data that's coming in so that we can, one, assess it, look for threats, anomalies, things that the human mind couldn't perceive or detect quite as easily as a automated technology such as AI can do. And the second is the devising ways to automatically respond to those threats, so that as the adversaries are continuing to engage and leverage artificial intelligence to attack organizations around the world, we want to leverage AI to defend ourselves against those same AI attacks and threats. So that's where I'm seeing the intersection between AI and zero trust. And another fun use case that I'm thinking of as well, it's helping us train up new employees, new cybersecurity professionals, leveraging AI to help train them. How do you respond to a threat or attack vector of phishing, for example? Well, if we train an AI bot or chatbot or technology to teach an individual how to do that, you just help decrease the issue with the lack of cybersecurity professionals across government. That's something, well, across industry actually. That's something that is constantly being brought up as a problem. AI can help with that, help train, help even the common person understand cybersecurity that's a little bit better. Why do we have to gatekeep the information when we can make it more available through AI to everyone?
That's a great point. And then talk a little about what role AI and automation are playing in strengthening your agency's overall cyber resilience.
Certainly. So we like to leverage cloud native and cloud hosted technologies so that the information as we pull it in through our increased logging efforts and the fact that we're in the cloud, better telemetry, we can use that data to respond, to detect much quicker, as I mentioned a few moments ago. So I think that is the key area around that, is taking that data and using it in real time versus trying to bring in tons and tons of new staff to use the data. Let's use AI to do it at a much faster pace so that we can keep pace again with the adversary who is also leveraging AI.
And then lastly, what's next on your agenda at OPM in the way of fortifying your cybersecurity?
Certainly. What's next is thinking about where OPM, like any other organization, where the next risk or threat will come from. And I believe that is with our supply chain. So I'm looking and investing heavily into improving our cybersecurity supply chain so that we assess to a much greater degree our third parties. We're making sure that we have the appropriate visibility to our third parties. We know what's a part of the technology solutions that we're using so that if something happens, we're able to identify and rapidly respond to that threat and issue to minimize any impacts that third-party software supplier will have upon our mission.
Well, fantastic. James Saunders, as always, thank you for taking a few minutes to join us here at the AWS Innovate Day.
Certainly. Thank you all.
Thank you.